Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to share one of the most common South Indian breakfast which can also be had for brunch or as a snack. It is nothing but the Rava Upma recipe. So let's take a look at the ingredients. So coming to the Semolina, Rava or Sooji, you should use the coarse variety and not the very fine variety. You also get two different kinds of Rava in the market. One is the roasted one and the other is plain. So if you're using the plain one, you need to roast it before cooking. But I always like to use the plain one and roast it just before cooking. In a pan, roast Rava over medium heat until fragrant. So the Rava shouldn't turn brown from bottom, so stir continuously. This may take about 5 to 6 minutes. Once roasted, transfer Rava to another bowl. To the same pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee. So you can use ghee for a good flavor, but this is up to you. So now we have to add all the ingredients for the tempering. Add mustard seeds, some cumin seeds, 1 dry red chilli, some Urad Dal and Chana Dal, maybe half a teaspoon each, and a few cashews. Once the lentils turn brown, add in 1 small piece of ginger that is finely chopped or grated, few curry leaves, 2 chopped green chillies, and 1 chopped onion. At this stage you can include some vegetables, but since today we are sticking to the basic upma recipe, I am just keeping it simple and plain. Once the onions turn transparent, add some water. So I keep the ratio of Rava to water like 1 cup Rava to 2.5 cups water. So if you want the upma to be very soft and runny, then you can increase the water by another half cup. Add in a little salt. When water starts boiling, add in roasted Rava and mix well. Whisk continuously to avoid lumps. Reduce the heat, place the lid and let it cook till it is done. Once the water is completely absorbed, mix it well and turn off the heat. Let it sit about 5 minutes before serving. At this stage, you can add in a teaspoon of ghee. So delicious Rava Upma is ready to be served. You can enjoy it as such or with some coconut chutney, sambar or with allam chutney, or also known as ginger chutney, which is actually my favorite. And kids can have it with some sugar, which is also really yummy. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me, Padma, signing off.